Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool lens zoom in effect on your videos. Well, just like how you can create the effect, and it is super simple. To create the effect, you're going to open CapCut PC, select your video, and I'm actually just going to delete that first because it has a keyframe. So I'm just going to select the video, and here I'm going to add in a keyframe, and then you're going to want to start zooming in. So like here, you kind of like want to scale it and position her kind of in the middle. So it goes like in the middle and it still follows her. I'm just going to put the keyframe in the middle though. You don't have to add another one because you've already scaled it and positioned it, so it's going to automatically add a keyframe. I'll do it for you one more time just in case you missed it. So here, I'm going to add a keyframe here, and then in the middle kind of here, I'm going to add another keyframe, or you don't have to. You can just straight away zoom the video in and position it to kind of in the middle. I'm then going to add a black screen over it. So go to the library and add a black screen on top. Add it on top. Go to mask and go to circle. Okay, just hold on. And then I'm going to invert it here. So press the reverse button and I'm going to resize it. I'm also going to feather it out as well and make it just a tad bit bigger, like so. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this very helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!